Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download and install Discord on your Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Discord. From the search results, open the official Discord website. Once you're on the home page, click the Download button or choose the option to download Discord for Windows. If you prefer not to install any software, Discord can also be accessed directly through your web browser. However, for the best experience, download the desktop application. After the installer has finished downloading, open the folder where the file was saved, find the Discord setup file, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If a Windows security prompt appears, approve it to continue. The installer will then begin downloading the necessary files and automatically install Discord on your computer. Wait for the installation process to complete. When the installation is finished, Discord will launch automatically. You can then sign in with your existing account or create a new one if needed. You'll also notice that a Discord shortcut has been added to your desktop, making it easy to open the application whenever you need it. You can also find Discord by opening the Start menu and searching for its name. That's all you need to do to get Discord installed and ready to use on your Windows PC. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.